Hi guys. Hello. So, ngayon, itong channel ay kay Nation 19. Yeah. So, today we're gonna do the tongue twister. This challenge is gonna be hard. We're gonna repeat or ulitin namin tong video. Gagawa ulit kami. Kasi this just for fun. Gusto lang namin gumawa ng video. So, hope you subscribe to this channel. And please subscribe to my channel. Channel ko ay Ashley Resho. Pero babaguhin ko pa yung pangalan kasi. So, search natin yung tongue twister. Ay, ayun pala nakasunod. Okay, ano bang maghanap kami ng ito pa. 1, 2, 3, go. Ikaw muna. I wish to wish the wish you wish to wish. But if you wish to wish the wish I won't wish the wish you wish to wish. I know it's so hard. I wish to wish the wish you wish to wish. But if you wish to wish the wish that I won't wish the wish you wish to wish. Yeah! So, ito talaga yung tunay na ano niya, salita. Kasi medyo nabubulol kami. I wish to wish the wish you wish to wish. But if you wish to wish the wish wishes, I won't wish the wish you wish to wish. It's so hard. It's like, lahat siya I wish. Like, wish. Puro wish. Ano ba yan? Parang tinang-tang. Ano? Pirate purple. The Peppy Puppy, the Prince, presented the Princess. Dalawa. Ito, totoo. The Peppy Puppy, the Prince, presented the Princess, produced piles of poop in the palace. Oh, Kitty mo na. Give. The Peppy Puppy, the Prince, presented the Princess, produced piles of poop in the palace. Yeah. So, comment down below guys kung sino nanalo sa first round o second one. This is the second round. So, ang tunay na talaga ay sahin mo. I'm eating guys. The Peppy Puppy, the Prince, presented the Princess, produced piles of poop in the palace. So,
hindi naman.
wait. Where is the...
Hindi gusto kay Tita Eleanor.
There's a Peter Piper. Pick up a So, eto. Siya muna una. So, Peter Piper, pick up peppers. Pick up peppers. Peter Piper, pick. If Peter Piper, pick up peppers. Where are the pick up peppers? Peter Piper, pick. So, ako na yung ito ay third round. Peter Piper, pick up peppers. Pick up peppers. Wait, ulitin ko lang. Second time. Peter Piper, pick up peppers. Pick up peppers. No, way! Talo ko na ito siya. Third round. I mean, third time since last. Peter Piper, pick up pepper. Okay na. So, guys, last lang. Sige. Peter Piper, pick up peppers. Pickle peppers. Peter Piper, Peter Piper, pick up pickled peppers. Where are the pickled peppers? Better. So, yeah. Talo ako dun sa So guys, the next our challenge gonna do the flip bottle. Yeah. So hindi ko siya masyadong alam. Pero maghahanap po ba kami ng bottle? Kasi wala kang bottle.
Mahirap intindihin yun, pero minsan ganun.
Ikaw muna. Yeah. Wala. 1, 2, 3, go. 1 was a race horse. 2 was a 1, 2. 1, 1 race. 2, 1 Wala. Okay, second round. 1 was a race horse. 2 was 1 2. 1 won the 1 won one race. 2 won the one. Ow! 2 won one race. 1 2.
Pero
So
kung sumuko
mahirap
kasi,
siya. Susubukan ko.
baka
1
nasa
was the
akin ang
race
sarili ko
horse.
mismo.
2 was the 1 2. 1
Hindi
was
naman ang isang
1
babaeng
race.
walang
2 1 1 2.
Hindi na siya maganda
Ayan,
asawa kung
panalo
hindi
ka
ka.
lang. What is that? Naani ni Noni. Naani ni.
Para
Oh my gosh, my tit!
No.
Noon nani ne na what na ano noon huwag na pala yun.
Mabuti mga bata.
Ito na lang po siya. Ikaw muna. Red
Maligaya
Robot,
ka ba, Ra?
Red Robot, Robbie Road, Roger the Robbie Road. Can you say it? So, 3 times 8 nakasulat dito na 3 times. Kailangan natin maka 3 times. Parang tinatanong na
Na hindi ko pa rin hihingi ng
kaya mo
sabi
daw
ng
ba na 3 times fast.
Diyos.
Red Robot, Robbie Road, Roger the Robbie Road. Red Robot, Robbie Road. Hindi ko kaya. Ako lang. Ah. Red Robot, Robbie Road, Robert. Red Robot, Robbie Road. Roger the Robbie Road. Roger, Robbie Road.
Girl, ipahiram sa akin. Kahit
It's
sa
so hard.
bigayan tayo.
Sagutin
So,
ay kung
I'm
paano
searching some
gagawin
hard,
na ang bata ay
searching
maging
some
decent
hard
at
tongue
makatao
twister.
sa kanyang paglaki.
Let's see. Let's see. Because it's
Dahil kung ang bawat bata ay napalaki ng disente at makatao,
you see that?
sana'y nabuo na ang isang disente at makataong lipunan.
So,
Pag-aralangan namin ito
Ito na.
sa inyong lahat.
that's the butterfly. So,
Just ko kaya na. Narinig kayo?
we're gonna have say, magsamantalang bye-bye muna kasi i-stop na lang itong video. So, please subscribe my channel and her channel. So, don't forget to subscribe and like and time. So, by the way, follow nyo yung wait lang. Ang like din kasi. So, wait a minute. Ito ang musically. Wait. So, ito yung musically ko. Follow. Ang pangalan ko ay Ashton Coltapa. So,
Ame
lame.
tabi rin ba?
They're like, ano yun? And then, sini kang ambas. Baliktad kasi siya. So, ito kay... Baka na. Kaya siya. Saan ba yung sa'yo? Saan na?
White tiger, fight die. Let go. My cyber cat now.
So, ang dami ko kasi na hindi ko
What does it like? Kayo Nanay. Awa.
Ansi. Ang hirap. Ito kay Yesha. Ako, ayan. Princess Yesha. Ito yung mga video niya. Ito. Pag nakita niya. Please follow us. Tsaka sa Facebook nga pala guys. Wala kami page.
If you follow us, we're gonna get follow you back.
So, yeah.
Bye.
Bye!
Please
May
subscribe.
pagkakataon kayo na
Bye-bye.
ma-BFF sa musically or malike yung video nyo tsaka ma-shoutout. Bye guys!